Good girl. She's fun, isn't she? There you go.
Woo!
Collect her up. Bring your hand back a little bit. There you go. Good girl.
Oh my God, you should show her walk trot. That would be freaking adorable.
I know, right? And walk.
No, tell her easy.
Now keep her walking. Turn her nose a little bit this way. There you go.
Tell her easy.
Walk.
Pull her back hard.
Walk. Good girl. Sit up nice and tall. Boobies up. There you go. In reverse. Whoop. Use your legs. Push her over there. There you go. And trot. 2 bounces. 2 bounces. Boobies up. There you go.
Shut up. You waited till I hung up, jerk.
You pull your hands back just a little bit. Push her forward. There you go. Good. Good girl.